You can keep your Keurig brewer looking and performing its best by cleaning it regularly. Here's what you'll need: a large mug, a non-abrasive cloth, dish soap, and access to a sink. The process will take about 5 minutes. First, use a damp, soapy, non-abrasive cloth to wipe down the exterior. Don't immerse the brewer in water or other liquids. To clean the drip tray, slide it towards you while keeping it level to avoid spilling accidental overflow. Clean the drip tray and drip tray plate with a damp, soapy, non-abrasive cloth. You'll also want to clean the water reservoir and lid about once a week. Remove the water filter if you have one. Clean the reservoir and lid by hand with a damp, soapy, non-abrasive cloth and rinse both thoroughly. Never dry the inside of the water reservoir with a cloth, since lint could be left behind. After cleaning the reservoir or after brewing certain beverages like hot cocoa, be sure to run a cleansing brew. To do this, place a mug on the drip tray and run a water-only brew using the largest cup size. Remember, do not use a K-Cup pod while running a cleansing brew. You may also use Keurig rinse pods, a simple, fast, and convenient way to reduce flavor carryover between brews, ensuring the best tasting beverages every time. After each use, allow the frother to cool, and then rinse before placing the frother and lid in the top rack of your dishwasher and the whisk in the utensil basket. Let dry, and then reassemble for the next use. That's it! Your brewer is now clean and you're ready to brew. Regular cleaning of your brewer, which includes descaling every 3 to 6 months, will keep it working at peak performance.